How to make and create education presentation on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here and click on create a design and search for presentation. Now click on the first option. It will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is go right here and scroll down until you find education presentation. Click on see all and choose a template right here. You have many templates to choose between. For example, this one. You can edit now the text, the images and everything right here. It's so professional as you can see. And you can add more right here as you can see. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.